Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another hair video. Okay, so it's been a long time. Okay, it's been a long time since I did a hair review, so I'm coming back with the hair reviews. Okay, I'm coming back with the hair reviews, and just know that once they come back, they're gonna get better, and I'm gonna start coloring some hair. Okay, I'm gonna start coloring hair. I know y'all like, girl, we want that old B Marie back when we used to color the hair and then do the looks with it. So and yeah, it's better now. It's so much better. But yeah, I showed you once the tutorial starts, you're gonna see me get into unboxing what's in the Unice package and also unboxing the wig and plucking it and everything like that. So this is a very detailed video. I want to show y'all how I did things, and yeah, I don't want to keep y'all long. So if y'all want to see how I installed this wig, then please keep on watching on my own. Also, if y'all want to see, continue. Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with it. Damn. So let's get into what we got inside of Unice box. We got a cap, a headband, a comb, some earrings, and some lashes that I think that I want to wear, but I didn't wear. But I do want to wear them in another look. Now let's get into this wig, honey. Okay, so this wig is fresh out the box. Okay, I'm just showing y'all how it came. It looked like it was pre-plucked, okay? And I'm going to give y'all the specs of this hair in just a second. So we just went straight on to plucking it after I bleached it off camera. I didn't do that on camera because it did look already bleached, okay? This wig looked like it was already ready to go to put on your head straight from the box. But you know me, I'm extra and it has to look realistic as possible. Okay, so I'm going to section those baby hairs and start plucking. I made it a middle part, so make sure you know what part that you want first before you start plucking. Okay, I always learned that if you know what part you want, pluck it. If you don't have a part and you just want to like freely move it from side to side, just pluck it straight from the head. Don't put no parts or anything in it. So y'all, I got these straight tweezers and I'm just plucking, moving, plucking, moving after I parted that baby hair space. And then I want to do this on each side, y'all. So y'all gonna watch me do this, and I'm just plucking, moving, plucking, moving, plucking, moving. Okay, so this is the best way that I learned how to pluck, and I like how I pluck. Sometimes I can over pluck, but it doesn't look over plucked to me. But like I said, it came out the pack looking like it was already ready to go. Okay, so you're gonna do this 3 times. So you're gonna part the baby hairs, pluck, part it again, pluck, part it again, and pluck. Okay, that's all you need to do. I go back three times and pluck, but honestly, you don't have to go back 3 times. I just do. You can go back twice, and that's it. Because some people don't like to pluck all that hair off. Okay, y'all, so I'm done. Ain't nothing like a fresh plucked wig, y'all. Okay, do y'all see that right there? Okay, y'all, so let's get into it. I'm about to take my hot comb. Okay, this is off the stove. This ain't the plug-in one. Okay, the stove gets you right, and I'm telling you, it does. Do y'all see that hairline that I plucked? Okay, do y'all see it? Baby, it is bomb. Do y'all see that hairline? Back in the day, I would show y'all a picture of how I did not pluck them wigs. We put them wigs right on. No plucking at all, okay? Because I ain't know nothing about it. period. And then the hair is so pretty, so you can wet it and it'll be so pretty, and then you can keep it like this, like really bushy. It just any way that you prefer, that you want to do it, you can do it like that. But it got so smooth, y'all, and I just love how this hair is and how it looked. I'm like, okay, you nice, you just coming through. I really love this hair, y'all, and if y'all don't purchase this, y'all is crazy, because y'all need to. Okay, I am plucking the middle part just a little bit. I just did it just a little bit. All right, so we're going to move on to spraying this hair. But first, let me get into the specs of this wig. This is a Unice Ombre Honey Blonde Highlighted Lace Frontal Human Hair Wig, okay? This is a 13 by 4 lace part and 150% density. And I think I have a 24-inch length. And y'all, all I'm doing right here is I'm just spraying this hair to make it more curly looking, and also I'm putting this Cantu leave-in conditioner cream inside of this hair, and this is just to lock the curls in. My mama said put that up in there, it's gonna lock them curls in. So therefore, you know how like it gets back bushy after it's done drying, it gets back bushy, so you don't want that. So what you want to do is take this Cantu curl and lock those curls that you wetted in, okay? That's key. But take a moment to look at them curls in that wig popping. Okay, on to the installation. So right here is the wig I'm gonna be putting on. It's giving me Beyonce vibes, okay? I had some brown spray so that I can close, because I did make the part a little wider, so it look like a part. I used Gatsby to mold this cap down. I actually love this cap. It matches, it melted, it melted to my skin really good. But I'm taking boho only like right here. That was with the size. You know how y'all know the size be just doing too much, coming up like nobody got time for that. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to cut this off, and I'm gonna go up. It's hard as hell now. So you definitely either have to sit in this dryer, or you gotta let this dry. Ruby Kisses cream foundation, and I'm about to put this all over. Merging into the skin, just to make sure it's like blended. I just have one concern. This lace right here, because I tried to put it on to see how it was gonna, fit. Lace is giving straight gray. Okay, straight gray, and I don't like that. Put in. Okay, it looks a little better to where if I cut it, it'll look perfectly fine. Let's see that. So place this wig on. Mash it down with a comb real quick. Get my hair back. Again, I just gotta figure out this part situation as far as how I'm gonna spray it, because it's brown. So been thinking about that. We have these new bands. These are our bands. Psych coming soon. I'm keep saying that. Let's see what it's coming. Oh my god, I see my packaging for some of my products today. It should be here like sometime like at the end of August. These are how the bands look like this, and look at real thick. So I'm about to. Situation. So yeah, I'm gonna be right back. Looks good. The only thing is, like I said, this part has to melt. Once this melt, I feel like it'll be okay. This or hair, I don't know. It's the hair. The hair is supposed to be covered like that. I'm kind of hot comb this, so. So I'm just using gas to be, and I'm just swirling these right around up in the.
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me. Yeah, yeah. She just wanna highlight. Ooh wee, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. That's right. Want you show me how you work it. I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. In love.
The light is back there, but you just can't see it because of this hair is so big and it's in the way. Then proceed to flat, like hot comb the top of my head, and then I'm about to spray it down. This is the edge booster. It's like a misty. Spray it one time and it's just like. And then I have like leave-in, so you can either wear it big or you can wear it like this. Big. This is giving me Beyonce color here. Okay. So I did let the hairs dry down a little bit, and I'm back, y'all. If you want to purchase this wig, the links will be in the description right below to go purchase this wig, y'all. I definitely love this wig. This is the wig. And if y'all are hairstylists, or if y'all know how to place some hair, y'all definitely got this wig, because this wig is everything. Okay, and I think that in September I'm getting this color. This is gonna be my color for September. It's just giving me all type of bad. It's giving me, I love it. Yeah, I love this wig. If you want details on this wig and also the site to Unice hair, don't forget to check the description right below. It definitely be in there. Thank you guys so much for watching this hair tutorial.